Welcome to my channel. Today our essay is on good friend. 5 lines on good friend. Number 1. A good friend always supports you and help you when you are in trouble. Number 2. A true friend always supports and loves you. Number 3. A good friendship is born out of brotherhood and fellow feeling. Number 4. Friendship does not know any particular age boundary. Number 5. The mark of true friendship is respect. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe my channel.